guys, welcome back to my channel. Today for this look I did a smoky Valentine's Day look. I definitely incorporated pinks, maroons, reds, a little bit of rose gold in there. No matter what your plans are for the day, I think this would be a really cool look, and obviously you guys can improvise as you go if you don't want to do as dramatic of lashes, if you want to do a different lip color, if you don't want to go as dark with it as I did, that's definitely an option. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn palette as well as the Morphe 35B palette. Just using a big fluffy brush. This one doesn't have a name or a brand on it. I'm pretty sure I get it at Walgreens, I believe. I'm going to be taking this third shade right here. If you hear any weird noises, it's Dallas sleeping under my feet. Okay, so taking that same brush, I'm going to be going into this shade right here, kind of that toasted reddish brown color, and going over what I just did, but kind of being a little bit more careful as to not go all the way up with it. The goal is to just keep adding colors to deepen the look, and you can always add more because if you slap on a dark color, it's gonna be harder to blend it out. Taking a Crown C526, it's just a round fluffy brush. It has nothing on it. I'm going to blend where those two meet. Okay, so now reaching for my Morphe palette, I'm going to be hitting this neon pink color in the pink row. I know it looks super scary, but I'm going to do it with just the slightest touch to start adding that touch of pink into the look. So I'm pretty much doing patting motions right here over the brownish color that I just did. And we will be buffering it away. I just want that pink hue to be underneath the colors I'm adding. We'll be doing a more natural Valentine's Day look as well for those ladies who don't go all out, who don't really like wearing a lot of makeup. That's cool too. But I use any occasion to go 110%, so why not, right? So now I'm going to be dipping into the bottom shade. It is more of a burgundy tone, and I'm going to be going only on my outer V. Once again, doing that patting motion. These colors are very, very pigmented. That's another reason why I love Morphe. And I found that my mirror is a little bit lower than my face, so I naturally am looking down, but if you ever struggle, kind of look straight at your mirror and then tilt your head down, and you can see where your natural crease is. I'm gonna be using this peachy shade right here, using a Crown C526, and going right on the inner part of my upper lid. To be hitting this dark brownish purple color, and I'm using, once again, I think this is, I want to say this is a Crown brush. It's just a fluffy brush. Ever so slightly, I'm going to be going into that V to darken it up. Of course, you can always substitute this color for a lighter color if you want, so it's not so in your face. Ahead with this it says eye blending brush. I want to say it's from CVS. It's just a tiny little fluffy brush. I'm going to take this red color right here and put it on the bottom lash line. So I'm incorporating pink, a little bit of red, a little bit of maroon, and that dark color. Now taking Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral, I'm going to dab a little bit onto my lids and make a cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be using KKW's pigment in Rose Gold. This is what it looks like right here. And now I'm just applying that pigment where I laid the concealer. I'm going to take MAC's eyeshadow and dazzleshadow, Slow, Fast, Slow. It's this really pretty coppery pink tone. I'm going to put that as the transition shade in between those two. And then taking to this side of the naked brush, I'm going to just blend it down. Also taking that same rose gold pigment, I'm gonna put a little bit in the cap, and I'm going to put some as my highlight as well. I already have some on. I have Often Gentle and MAC on, so I'm going to layer it on top. A little bit on my nose, Cupid's bow, forehead, aka put it everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and do my liner off camera. I'm gonna be using J Lash eyelashes in the style Paulina. I got these in Texas. I was at the mall and they had them there. And I checked online and they do have a website, so you can go ahead and purchase them there if you'd like, but I will be right back. Okay, so for liners, I decided to go the brown route instead of going black, so that way it would give the look a little bit more of a romantic, softer feel. For the top liner, I did the Jet Liner in Sorme, it's liquid. And then for the bottom liner, I went Rimmel Exaggerate in Rich Brown 212. Now I have Over the Top Gloss by Desi Katie Dose of Colors collab. You could go this route if you're gonna go eat, if you know you're gonna be out and about all day for Valentine's Day and you don't wanna be worrying about touching up, if you don't wanna like whip out your lipstick in front of him, if you guys aren't at that stage yet where you can ask like, do I have butthole lips? Like, is my lipstick cracking? Does it look gross? Like, if you're not there yet, I definitely think the safe bet would be gloss, but if not, personally for me, I would probably pair this with a really bold lip, maybe like a dark burgundy, a dark red, maybe even mix black with red to make like a super rich, almost plum color. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do Catnip by Anastasia. It's a really pretty deep pink color, and I'm using Sorme's True Liner in the shade Luster. It's a pink liner. Alright, so this is the completed look. Let me zoom you in to get a closer look at the eyeshadow. Definitely love the way that rose gold shade paired with the lipstick. And as a highlighter shade, I really think that rose gold pigment is super nice. But yeah, that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Like I said, I'll probably film a more toned down Valentine's Day look for you guys. This is just what I would personally wear. Pink tones, a little bit deeper crease, just to still be pretty in pink, but still have that like edge to it to where you look bold in a sense, no matter what you're doing, whether you're going out to eat, whether you're just spending time with your loved one. I think this look would be perfect for it. And once again, thank you so much for watching. I feel like I'm on Disney Channel where they do this thing
5,000 times, like, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, dope, thanks. Diggity dope.